This week I spent a lot of time reflecting on my purpose and goals. It's something I have always struggled with, articulating what I truly want in life and at work. I've always been more an opportunity-driven person rather than someone with a big detailed plan. I've always been more like a leaf in the wind, just going wherever the breeze takes me. Sure, I've had this ultimate goal since I was a teenager, to be financially secure and stable, but beyond that it's been a bit fuzzy. If you're new here, I'm David. I've spent over 20 years in finance, including a decade here in Hong Kong, where I built a side hustle that made me over $1 million. Now I share everything I've learned about money, entrepreneurship and self-development, so you can level up too. So since last September, I've been working with coaches and mentors, and things are starting to get a bit clearer for me. My personal and professional goals are now more connected, they are even serving each other. I won't go into too much detail here because some things are just for me, but I really want to encourage you to take some time to reflect on your own goals and core values. And trust me, it's worth the effort to understand and articulate them. For me, my goals are centered around three key things: family, freedom, and myself. Family because they are my anchor. Freedom, it's like having more free time to enjoy life and do what I really want to do. And me, yes, I'm being a bit selfish here. By me, I mean my mental and physical health, which I've totally neglected the past few years. Being a solo entrepreneur during COVID didn't help either. And my core values are harmony, honesty, empowering people around me, and peace. And reflecting on this value made me realize something really cool. For years, I've had this metaphor for my ideal life: a wooden house deep in the forest next to a lake. And every time someone asked me about my dream life, I describe this exact scene. At first, I thought it was just a material goal, to have a house near a lake, in the forest, and something I really want to own. But now I see it more like a metaphor for my core values and my goal. It's about peace, it's about harmony, it's about freedom. And the best part is that the house in the forest can exist anywhere. It's a state of mind, not just a place. And why does this matter? Because understanding your goals and values helps you find balance and peace with yourself. It makes it easier to build short, mid and long-term plans to achieve what you really want in life. Another thing I've been thinking about this week is about the importance of building connections and relationships and even friendships. And so lately I've been pushing myself to connect or reconnect with people I enjoy talking to or with people who inspire me. I say pushing myself because honestly it's easier to stay in my cave and avoid socializing, but at the same time I love it. I love meeting people, learning from them and imagining how we can rebuild the world together. And at the end of the day we are all social animals, so let's not forget to nurture those instincts and keep building meaningful connections. It doesn't have to be a huge effort, just small and genuine steps. And now, how about you? Are you ready to take that first step toward building something of your own? Ready to kickstart your side hustle? If so, I've got something special for you. Grab my free ebook, Side Hustle Launchpad, a step-by-step guide for working professionals like you. This guide is packed with practical tips and insights from my own journey, designed to help you navigate the world of side hustles with confidence. Whether you are looking to boost your income, explore a passion, or create a financial safety net in today's unpredictable economy, this ebook is your starting point. Don't wait, your side hustle journey starts today. And so click in the link in the description to get your free copy now. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching me, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your goals and core values? How do you stay connected with others? Let's chat in the comments just below, and until next time, take care and keep reflecting. Cheers!